Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up the Eero 6 Plus mesh system and app configuration, complete guide step by step clearly. Unbox the Eero 6 Plus mesh system and ensure you have all components, including the Eero units and power adapters. Choose a central location in your home to place the first Eero unit for optimal coverage. Plug the first Eero unit into a wall outlet and connect it to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Open the Eero app and create an account if you don't already have one, or log in using your existing account. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the setup process. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the Eero unit. Once scanned, the app will automatically recognize the Eero unit and guide you through the setup. Enter your Wi-Fi name and choose a password when prompted. Complete the setup for the first Eero unit and allow the app to check for updates. Next, set up additional Eero units around your home if needed for better coverage. Plug in each additional Eero unit in locations where you want to extend Wi-Fi coverage. Use the app to add each new Eero unit by following the same steps as before. Once all Eero units are set up, the app will indicate their status. Explore the app's features to configure your network settings further. You can adjust parental controls, network priorities, and device management through the app. Monitor your network performance and devices connected to your Eero system. With the setup complete, enjoy enhanced Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.